make sure you slap that product. It says to pat it. I slap it to get the blood vessels going so that it comes to the surface of my skin, and then it'll take that product and absorb right back in. So slap that product. Don't just pat it, slap it. Get those blood vessels going. On the neck, on the chest, don't forget it. Now around your eyes, you can pat that. You don't want to slap that too hard, but give it a little pressure just to make sure that product isn't sticky. And there you go. That is a great way to put on that first layer of moisturizer so that the blood vessels are right at the surface of the skin. And I'm going to take that product and just reabsorb as they calm down. Leave a comment and let me know if you try this trick and if it worked for you.